Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the call screen appearance on your iPhone using the contact poster feature in iOS 26. With this, you can add fun animations, photos, emojis, and custom text that show up full screen when your contacts call you. It's a great way to personalize your iPhone experience, so let's jump right in. Step 1. Go to your home screen and tap on the phone app. Step 2. At the bottom, tap Contacts and choose the person whose call screen you want to customize. Step 3. In the top right corner, tap Edit. Step 4. Tap Add Photo or Edit under the contacts picture. Step 5. Tap Create Poster or Edit Poster if one already exists. You'll now enter the poster editor, where you can customize everything. You can choose from a photo from your gallery, a memoji or fun emoji background, custom text styles, change the font, size, and color. Adjust image position, zoom, and background effects. Take your time here to make it look just the way you want. Once you're done designing, tap Done, then tap Continue, and finally update to save the poster. And that's it. Next time this person calls you, you'll see your customized full screen call animation with your selected photo or memoji and your styled name. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorial and iPhone tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.